Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I am back with another review and today I am going to review 𝗗𝗀𝗃. So 𝗗𝗀𝗃 is a chatbot, AI chatbot that is going to analyze your business using the data that you provide to it, and then it is going to provide instant customer service to the website visitors. And I know that there are a lot of chatbots currently on the market, but what makes 𝗗𝗀𝗃 different from those is that you can feed unlimited data to this tool, to this chatbot, and this is something that you cannot do on any other chatbots, and I'm going to get to that in a bit later. Another thing that I want to say about 𝗗𝗀𝗃 is that it is from a very trusted company. There are already two pretty popular products from the same founder, and those are FacePop and Pop-Up Hero. And if you want to see the review of Pop-Up Hero, that is already on our channel, as you can see, so make sure you check that out. So back to the review. Now let's have a look at all the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So here are the tiers. The tier 1 is going to cost you $49 with one chatbot. The tier 2 costs you $119 with two chatbots. And the tier 3 costs you $219 with 5 chatbots. But if you want to feed the chatbot unlimited content, unlimited data, for that you have to buy the license tier 5. So as you can see, on the license tier 5, you can feed the chatbot, which is 𝗗𝗀𝗃, unlimited knowledge hub content amount, which means you can add unlimited data as source data to 𝗗𝗀𝗃 on this license tier 5. And another thing that I would like to note is that no matter what tier you buy, you have to have your own OpenAI API key. And to use 𝗗𝗀𝗃, you must connect your OpenAI account with the API key. So make sure you keep that in mind. And if you want to buy any of these tiers from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. After you log in to 𝗗𝗀𝗃, you will get this dashboard, and to use your chatbot, you have to go to this chatbot. You can also see all of your past conversations, and then if you go to Knowledge Hub, you can use this section to train your AI chatbot. And as you can see, here are the other products from the same founder or the same company. So FacePop, Pop-Up Hero, and also the banner. So now let's go to our chatbot first. And as you can see, now the chatbot is initiating, and here are some greeting messages. So first it is going to say hey, and then you are going to get a introduction message, and then it is going to say how may I help you today. So you can change each and every greeting message that you have seen here. For that you have to go to this greeting editor, and as you can see, now you can change or edit this hey text, the introduction text, and also this how may I help you today text. You can also choose how many times you want to show these greeting messages. So it could be once per session, or until interaction, or after focus, or you can also choose to never show this interaction. After changing your settings, you have to click on apply. And then as you can see, the chatbot is named as 𝗗𝗃 on default. You can also change this identity. For that, go to AI identity, and now you can change the name of your business. So as you can see, on the introduction message, the chatbot is saying you can ask me anything about our business. So if you provide your business name on here, for example, my business name is SaaS LTD Deals. So if I provide SaaS LTD Deals on this box, it is going to say you can ask me anything about SaaS LTD Deals. And then you can also change the name of your AI assistant. You can also choose the personality of your assistant. It could be friendly, expert, formal, humorous, or polite. And then you can also add custom prompt to your chatbot. So this is one of the latest features of 𝗗𝗀𝗃. If you want, you can even add custom prompt to your chatbot, which is amazing. After adjusting your settings, you simply have to click on apply. You can also change other settings of this chatbot, such as the appearance. For that, go to look and feel. So here you can change the placement. It could be left or right. You can change this shadow if you want. You can also change the width, vertical margin, horizontal margin, and you can also set your placeholder text. So the text is currently enter your message. So if you open this, as you can see, it is saying enter your message. So if you want to change this text, you have to set that on this box and then click on apply. You can also go to Color Studio to change the colors, the background, the text color, the background color, which means you can set all of the colors on here. You can also change the font by going to this font studio. So here are some of the font ideas. You can change the font family from here, the text size, and also the text size on the placeholder. You can also add custom code if you want. And for that, you have two options. You can either add custom CSS or you can also add custom JavaScript. Then there are some other settings such as you can remove the Answerly branding, you can enable SDK, you can change this element index and also the chatbot ID. So now the question is, what about adding data to your chatbot? Based on which data your chatbot is going to behave? For that you have to click on this Knowledge Hub source, and as you can see the Knowledge Hub is connected to one Knowledge Hub CA1. This is the hub that I created. So you also have to create a Knowledge Hub. For that, click on Manage Knowledge Hubs. And here is the Knowledge Hub settings. So first you have to provide a name. For example, the name could be Knowledge Hub 1. And then you have to provide the OpenAI API key that I have said at the beginning of this video. So you have to paste your API key on this box and then you have to create a Knowledge Hub. So once you create a Knowledge Hub, you can also edit the settings such as the Knowledge Hub name, and also you can change your API key. You can also select your workspace. So once you create your Knowledge Hub, now you can import your data, add data to your chatbot. For that, click on Import. Now there are various ways that you can add data or feed data to your chatbot. The first one is you can use your website. So if you provide your website URL, Answerly is going to crawl all of the pages and learn everything about your business from that particular website. So you have to provide the URL and then click on Import Website. You can also provide your knowledge base URL on here. So what is the difference between a website and knowledge base? So let me show you some examples of knowledge base. So as you can see, currently I am on the website of Nike, and on this website, as you can see, this is the Get Help section, which means on here you will find almost any information about this brand Nike, such as the shipping information, the order information, the return information, the company info, membership info, and also info about various offers. So this is exactly what is called knowledge base. Let me show you another example. So currently I am on the knowledge base of Spotify. And as you can see, on this knowledge base, you can get info about payment, account, plan, app help, device help, and also safety and privacy. There are also other information about Spotify. So this is exactly what is called knowledge base. So if you also have a knowledge base on your website, you can paste the URL of that on this box, and then you have to click on Import Knowledge Base. This way, Answerly is going to crawl the data from your knowledge base. If you want to add multiple URLs to feed data to your chatbot, you can also do that. Paste all of the URLs, and once you paste one URL, you have to paste another one on a separate line, which means you have to create a line break, and then you have to provide another URL. So this way you can have multiple URLs on this box and then import all of the URLs at once. You can also use Google Docs as your knowledge base or as your source data. You can also upload a PDF file to use it as the source data for your chatbot. And then there are some other options. You can also create My Summaries. This is another way to feed your chatbot some data. So if you click on Create Summary, so first you have to provide the summary title, the summary content. You have to add some text about your summary, and then you can create a summary. You can also create emergency or vision, or you can also create link references on this section. And then you can go to Discover. So on this Discover section, you have to click on this Run Discover. And then what this feature does is analyze all of your summaries that you have created on this section. And then based on those summaries, it is going to create some questions, and the answers of those questions are not available on your content section. So all of those questions are going to appear on here. So to answer those questions, you have to write them manually on each of the boxes of all the questions. So as you can see, there are a lot of ways that you can feed content to your chatbot. Now the question is, what about embedding the chatbot on your website? How to do that? For that, once again, I will go to this home section and then click on chatbot. And then on the left side, I will scroll down. And then if I click on Instant Embed, it is going to ask me to connect my website. So if you connect your website by providing necessary information on this platform, you can directly connect this chatbot to your website instantly. But if you do not want that, if you want the iframe embed, which means you want to have the script of the bot, so you have to click on this iframe embed, and then here is the script. So all you have to do is copy and paste this script on your website to embed this chatbot. So overall, Answerly is an excellent tool that lets you create a chatbot, and you can embed that chatbot very easily to your website, even instantly to your website if you connect your website with Answerly. And Answerly has a lot of methods that you can use to feed data to it. And the best part is you can feed unlimited data if you purchase the tier 5 of 𝗗𝗄𝗀. So if you want to buy this tool from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo, and here's the tier 5. So this is the highest tier, and here almost all of the limits are unlimited. As you can see, you can create unlimited chatbot, you can have unlimited knowledge hubs, you can create unlimited seats, you can connect unlimited domains. You can also use the knowledge hub discover feature on this tier. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also let me know on the comment section what you think about 𝗗𝗀𝗀 and how it compares to other chatbots. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.